Hi guys, good afternoon. Just got a midday here, London, 23rd of September. Got the S&P here, all about 32.89 yesterday and today. The line in the sand, broken, closed above, comes back, finds support. Next area to be aware of to the upside is going to be the 50-day moving average. Above there would be the 21-day, the blue line, and also 34.16. This market has been beautiful to trade over the last couple of weeks, I have to say. So your line in the sand to the downside, 32.89, a close back below there. You are then looking sort of false break, and we can drift back down towards the lows that we had at the back end of July. If we hold above here today, the 50-day moving average then gets broken. I think we may have a bottom in play. Very interesting market, has to be said. One market that couldn't really catch a break early this morning was cable. However, it is pretty much flat on the day now. Worthwhile having a look at this on the longer time frame. You can just see how nice this market has been as well. Last week I should say, you can see the rejection of getting back above these highs. Negative headlines, second lockdown, negative rates has sent the pound lower as well. Where we close the week will be key. I know we're early on Wednesday, but if we were to see a climb back above really the 127 handle, you might believe, along with a close above last week's low, that there's a bit of respite for the pound, but it's not looking good at the moment. Looking more intraday then, where are the lines in the sand, levels to be aware of, where you can see the importance then of the pivot, of the low that we had at the beginning of the week and last week's low as well. That for me is very, very key, and would be an area at the moment I'd be looking to sell as long as it holds, or long if it gets above. Moving over to the euro. For me as well, it's been a market to keep an eye on the day. That doesn't look good on the daily close, I have to say. You can see with the breakthrough, first time we've broken that trend line and this area of support that went back to the 21st of August. This now becomes an incredible area of resistance for the opportunity to get short. I think the dollar bulls will be happy. The only thing they would want to see this week would be, can we finally close below the 3rd and 28th of July lows? If that happens, I think 115 comes in relatively quickly, which is the high that we had on the 9th of March. Big levels ahead for both the currency pairs we've just gone through. Gold, which broke 1900, is remaining below there now. That for me is the line in the sand, along with that support point from yesterday to keep an eye on. Bullish above, bearish below, and you've got some quite key resistance levels above those that could be targets. To the downside, we had a bit of a false break this morning of the low of the week, and it's now waiting for maybe more of a decision to come through. So 1900 to the upside, 1885 to the downside. I know there's a fair few people looking at gold now saying, especially if we were to close the week below the low that we had on 12th of August, this could run down and be looking at sort of the 1850, 1820 area as well. So just bear that in mind. Key test, I wouldn't mind a cheeky long around here if we get some bullish price action into the end of the week. We'll obviously wait and see. Quick look at the NASDAQ longer term. Looks bullish on the 50-day moving average. That shows how important it's going to be for the S&P as well. The Dow Jones the same. I mean, these markets at the moment on the longer time frames are telling you everything you need to know. Daily close today is massive. Above the 50-day, I'll be looking for the 21-day moving averages to come through. Looks nicely set up. Anyway, guys, hope all is well. Hope you all have a great rest of your day.